This year.
It's time for Gotham to meet the new Harley Quinn. Hold, please.
Well.
Yeah!
I can manage a couple of girls.
Harley Quinn in Birds of Prey.